morning. I'm Dr. Deuk, CEO and founder of the Deuk Spine Institute, here with one of my patients who traveled from Mississippi.
Yes, sir. Oxford, Mississippi.
Oxford, Mississippi, which I've never been to Oxford, Mississippi, but I'm sure it's a lovely place.
Very nice.
And why did you come to Deuk Spine Institute here in Florida?
I'm having issues with my lower back, shooting a pain all the way down towards my elbow, as well as having a little bit of stumbling while I'm walking within my left leg. And went to other physicians to look at my spine, whatever, and they wanted to do fusion and all kinds of other nonsense that I thought maybe there might be a simpler way, a process of doing things. Did a lot of research and found Dr. Deuk here.
And what do we do for you?
You guys did a C3, I think 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6 at the Deuk laser disc repair surgery.
And before surgery, you had neck pain?
Correct.
For how long?
It's been ongoing probably for about 5 years.
And then pain going from your neck into your right shoulder, down your right arm?
Correct, just getting progressively worse. And that's kind of what made me finally to say I got to definitely do something about it.
Here we are less than 24 hours after your surgery, the Deuk laser disc repair. You can see the incision right here, it's 4 millimeters. And do you still have that neck pain and pain in your arm?
No, sir, zero pain.
Gone?
Gone, completely gone.
Cured?
In shock. Results better than I actually anticipated, which is a good thing, right? That's what I'm here for.
Well, I'm not shocked. It's what we expect to see typically, which is good. The procedure works, and that's why we do it. It works better than anything else. Were you offered any other treatments?
Yeah, they wanted me to go look at a, what do they call a spinal deformity doctor. And they possibly looked at like doing rods and pins and all that kind of good, the fusion and everything. So it just kind of...
Why didn't you want to do the fusion option?
Long time recovery time and just more of a difficult surgery.
Yeah.
Much more difficult surgery. And me working in a house, I still want to have good quality of life in the future.
Yeah. Well, fusions have complications, a lot of complications. Scar tissue, bleeding and pain. Are you having any pain right now from the surgery?
No, not at all. Just a little stiffness when I turn left to right, but that's par for the course.
Yeah, the stiffness is going to take some time to work out.
Sure.
You've had a bad arthritis in your neck, your discs were degenerated. You had degenerative disc disease and herniations and bone spur at C3-4, C4-5, C5-6. We went in and fixed all three. You will need therapy to increase the range of motion. It'll take time and you'll get better. Are you happy with your decision to come to Deuk Spine Institute?
Very happy. I flew all the way down here from Oxford.
Yeah, very good.
So absolutely made the long trip. I fly back Saturday. And I feel much better flying on the plane than I did earlier. Just thinking, I'm not on any kind of pain medication, none of the muscle relaxant. There's zero pain, so I feel more comfortable hopping on that plane.
And we did it all through a 4 millimeter incision. You could actually see the incision with the little tube going in to your discs. I moved the tube from one disc to the next, and we went back to the back of the disc where the tear was, and I cleaned the tears up with the laser. So that usually does the trick of getting rid of the neck pain when it comes from a herniated disc. And of course, we unpinched the nerve roots that were going down your arm. So that's why your arm is feeling better as well. I don't expect any of that to come back. You should be pain-free the rest of your life. Just don't re-injure the discs.
Absolutely. I'm definitely glad to get my quality of life back. That's the number one thing.
Anything you want to tell your audience?
Anybody that's dealing with the same issues I have, I definitely recommend to come to the Deuk Institute of laser surgery. It's a wonderful thing.
All right. Well, congratulations.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. We will. Yeah. Well, my dad lives in Tampa, so my wife's up there in Oxford taking care of her stuff up there. So worked out good to have my dad here to pick me up and drop me off at the airport tomorrow.
All right. Sounds good. Well, safe travels for you then.
Thank you so much. I sure appreciate it.
My pleasure.